Let's start second bit. Find the center, vertices, length of axis, length of latus rectum, eccentricity, foci, and the equation of the latera recta and directrices of the ellipse. The first question is 4x square plus 9y square equals to 36. Let's convert into standard form of a ellipse. So in the standard form we need RHS as a 1, so that is why LHS and RHS divide with 36 equals to 36 by 36. Now split into two fractions, 4x square by 36, 9y square by 36, 36 by 36 is 1. 4 ones are 4, 9s are 36, 9 ones are 9, 4s are 36, then x square by 9, y square by 4 equals to 1. Now it is converted into a standard form. Let's compare with the standard form of a ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So then here a square is a 9, then a equals to root 9 answer 3, b square equals to 4, then b equals to root 4 answer is 2. And here it is very clear a is greater than b, because we have separate formulas for a greater than b and a less than b. So that is why we have to verify whether it is a greater than or a less than b. Next, the first answer is center. For this type of standard form, the center is 0, 0. Next, second one is vertices, that is plus or minus a, 0. So then plus or minus a value is 3. So plus or minus 3, 0. Next, third one, length of a major axis. So that is 2 into a value is 3. So 2 3s are 6. Next, length of a minor axis, the formula is 2b. So 2 into the b value is 2. So then 2 2s are 4. Next, length of a latus rectum, the formula is 2b square divided by a. So it is equals to 2 into b square value is 4 divided by a value is 3. So 2 4s are 8 divided by 3. Next, eccentricity formula is under root 1 minus b square divided by a square. So then under root 1 minus b square value 4, a square value 9. So 4 divided by 9. So 9 minus 4, 5 divided by 9. Then the square root of 5 by 9 answer is root 5 divided by 3. Next to foci, that formula is plus or minus a, 0. So plus or minus a value is 3 and e value is root 5 divided by 3, 0. Here 3 cancel. So then the answer is plus or minus root 5, 0. Next, equation of a latera recta, that is x equals to plus or minus a. So then x equals to plus or minus a value 3 and e value, what is the e value? Under root 5 by 3. So root 5 by 3, here 3 cancel. So then x equals to plus or minus root 5 is the equation of a latera recta. Next, the last one is equation of a directrices. So the formula is x equals to plus or minus a by e. So then x equals to plus or minus, here a value is how much? A value is 3 divided by e value, that is eccentricity, that is root 5 by 3. So then its simplification is x equals to plus or minus 3 3s are 9 divided by root 5. Second question is 9x square plus 4y square equals to 36. Let's convert into standard form. So LHS and RHS both divide with 36. Next, to split into two fractions, 9x square by 36 plus 4y square divided by 36. So here 36 by 36 is 1. 9 ones are 9 fours are 4 ones are 4 nines are. So x square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 9 equals to 1. Now compare with the standard form. So a square equals to 4, then a equals to 2 answer, b square equals to 9, then b equals to 3 answer. But here a is less than b. So for the a less than b, formulas are different. So here the center of a ellipse is 0 comma 0. Next to vertices is 0 comma plus or minus b. So 0 comma plus or minus b value is 3. Next to length of a major axis 2b. So 2 into b value 3. 2 3 is 6. Next length of a minor axis 2a. 2 into a value 2. So 2 2 is 4. Next length of a latus rectum, the formula is 2a square divided by b. So it is equals to 2 into a square value 4 divided by b value, that is 3. So 2 4s are 8 by 3. Next eccentricity, the formula is under root 1 minus a square divided by b square. So under root 1 minus a square value 4, b square value 9. So 4 by 9. Next to 9 minus 4 is 5. So root 5 divided by 3 is the answer. Next to 4c plus or 0 comma plus or minus be. So 0 comma plus or minus b value is 3. Next to e value is root 5 by 3. Then 3 3 cancel. It is equals to 0 comma plus or minus root 5. Next equation of a lateral recta, that is y equals to plus or minus be. So then y equals to plus or minus b value 3 and e value is root 5 by 3. So here 3 3 cancel, then plus or it is implies y equals to plus or minus under root 5. Next equation of a directrices, that is y equals to plus or minus b by e. So then y equals to plus or minus b value 3 divided by e value root 5 by 3. Then it is implies y equals to 3 will go to numerator place. So 3 3s are 9 by root 5. Next third question. In this we have two problems. The problem number A. So that is 25x square plus 16y square equals to 1600. Let's convert into standard form. So divide LHS and RHS with 1600. It is equals to 1600 by 1600. Now split into two fractions, 25x square by 1600. Next to 16y square by 1600 equals to 1. Here 16 ones are 1600s are. Next to 25 ones are 25. 6 are 150, remainder 10, 25 fours are 100. So then the standard form is x square divided by 64 and plus y square divided by 100 equals to 1. So now compare with the standard form of a ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So then a square equals to 64, then a equals to under root 64, that is 8. B square equals to 100, so then b equals to root 100, that is 10. And here a is less than b. Center is 0 comma 0 and vertices 0 comma plus or minus b. So b is a 10, so plus or minus 10. Next to length of a major axis 2 into b. So b value is 10, 2 into 10 is 20. Next to 2a, 2 into a value 8, 2 8s are 16. Next length of a latus rectum. So the formula is 2a square divided by b. So 2 into a square value 64 divided by b value is 10. So then 2 ones are 2 5s are 64 divided by 5. Next to eccentricity. The eccentricity formula is under root 1 minus a square divided by b square. So it is equals to under root 1 minus a square. 64 and b square is 100. So 100 minus 64, 36 by 100. So under root 36 by 100 is 6 by 10. Next to 4c, that is 0 comma plus or minus be. So 0 comma plus or minus b value is 10 and e value is 6 by 10. Here 10 cancel, then 0 comma plus or minus 6. Next equation of a lateral recta, that is y equals to plus or minus be, then y equals to plus or minus b value 10 and e value is 6 by 10. So 10 cancel, then it is implies y equals to plus or minus 6. Next equation of a directrices, that is y equals to plus or minus b by e. So then y equals to plus or minus b value 10 divided by e value 6 by 10. So it is implies y equals to 10 into 10 is 100 divided by 6. Next third bit, question number B. 25 x square plus 16 y square equals to 400. Convert into standard form. Now split into two fractions. 25 ones are 25, here 25 ones are 25, remainder is 15 and the next digit is 0. So 25 6 are 150. Next is 16 ones are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 16 5s are 80. So then the standard form is x square by 16 plus y square divided by 25 equals to 1. So now compare with the standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So then here a square equals to 16, then a equals to 4, b square equals to 25, so then b equals to 5, and here a is less than b. So here center is 0 comma 0 and vertices 0 comma plus or minus b. So 0 comma plus or minus b value is 5. Next to length of a major axis 2b, so 2 into b value is 5, 2 5s are 10. Next to length of a minor axis 2a, 2 into a value 4, 2 4s are 8. Next length of a lattice rectum, that is 2a square divided by b. So it is equals to 2 into a square value 16 and b value is 5. So 16 2s are 32 divided by 5. Eccentricity, the formula is 1 minus a square divided by b square. So then it is equals to under root 1 minus a square value 16 divided by 25. So 25 minus 16 is 9 divided by 25 under root. So then it is equals to 3 by 5. Next to 4c, that is 0 comma plus or minus be. So 0 comma plus or minus b value is 5 into e value 3 by 5. So here 5 cancel, 0 comma plus or minus 3. So next to y equals to equation of a lateral recta, y equals to plus or minus be. So y equals to plus or minus b value 5 and e value, what is the e value here, eccentricity 3 by 5. So then 5 cancel, then y equals to plus or minus 3. Next equation of a directrices, that is y equals to plus or minus b by e. So y equals to plus or minus b value is 5 divided by e value is 3 by 5. Then it is implies y equals to plus or minus 5 5s are 25 divided by 3. Next to fourth question is 9x square plus 16y square equals to 144. Let's convert into standard form. So divide LHS and RHS with 144. Next is split into two fractions, 9x square by 144 plus 16y square by 144, and 144 by 144 is 1. 9 ones are 9, remainder 5. Next digit is 4. 9 6 are 54. Next 16 ones are 16, 16 nines are 144. So then the standard form is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So now compare with the standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square. So then a square equals to 16, then a equals to 4, b square equals to 9, then b equals to 3. And here a is greater than b. So here the center is 0 comma 0 and vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value is 4 comma 0. Next to length of a major axis 2a, so that is 2 into a value is 4, 2 4s are 8. Length of a minor axis 2b, 2 into b value is 3, so 2 3s are 6. Length of a lattice rectum, that is 2b square divided by a, so it is equals to 2 into b square, that is 9, divided by a value, that is 4. So here 9 by 2 is the answer. Eccentricity under root 1 minus b square divided by a square. So under root 1 minus b square 9, a square 16. So 9 by 16, 16 minus 9 is 7 divided by 16 under root, then root 7 divided by 4. Next to 4c plus or minus a comma 0, so plus or minus a value 4 and e value root 7 divided by 4 comma 0. Here 4 cancel, plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Next to equation of a lateral recta, that is x equals to plus or minus ae. So x equals to plus or minus a value is 4 into e value root 7 divided by 4. So here 4 cancel, then x equals to plus or minus root 7. Next equation of a directrices, that is x equals to plus or minus a by e. So then x equals to plus or minus a value 4 and e value root 7 divided by 4 divided by root 7 by 4. Then it is implies x equals to plus or minus 4 4s are 16 by root 7. Fifth question, 3x square plus 4y square equals to 36. Let's convert into standard form. So divide LHS and RHS with 36 by 36, here 30 by 36. So now split into fractions, 3x square by 36 plus 4y square divided by 36 equals to 1. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so x square divided by 12 plus 4 1s are 4, 9s are y square divided by 9 equals to 1. Now compare with the standard form. So then a square equals to 12, then a equals to root 12, next to b square equals to 9, then b equals to root 9, 3 is answer. Root 12 answer 3.46. So then here a is greater than b. Center is 0 comma 0. Vertices plus or minus a comma 0, then it is equals to plus or minus a value is root 12 comma 0. Length of a major axis 2a. So a value is root 12. So next to length of a minor axis 2b, so 2 into b value 3, 2 3s are 6. Next to length of a lattice rectum, that is 2b square divided by a, so then it is equals to 2 into b square value 9, a value is root 12, so 2 9s are 18 by root 12. Next eccentricity, that is under root 1 minus b square divided by a square. So then it is equals to under root 1 minus b square value 9 and a square value 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. So 3 divided by 12. Next to 4c, that is plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value is root 12 and e value is here actually we can write root 3 by root 12. So root 3 divided by root 12. So comma 0, then plus your root 12 cancel, plus or minus root 3 comma 0. Next equation of a lateral recta x equals to plus or minus ae, so then x equals to plus or minus a value is root 12 and into e value is root 3 divided by root 12. So root 12 cancel, then x equals to plus or minus root 3. Equation of a directrices, that is x equals to plus or minus a by e. So x equals to plus or minus a value is root 12 divided by e value is root 3 divided by root 12. So it is implies x equals to here root 12 whole square, then plus or minus 12 divided by root 3. Next third bit, find the equation of the ellipse if foci 0 comma plus or minus 5, vertices 0 comma plus or minus 13. So here the vertices is 0 comma plus or minus 13. That means the two ordered pairs will be there on the y-axis. Okay, these are ellipse. So here is a 13 comma 0, 13 comma 0, and here is a minus 13 comma 0. So in this case the standard form of a ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1, and where a is less than b. So let us find out the a and b values. So here vertices given 0 comma plus or minus 13. When a is less than b, then the actually vertices is 0 plus or minus b. So then b value will become 13. Next foci is given 0 comma plus or minus 5. So then compare with 0 comma plus or minus b into e. Because a less than b, in this case the foci is 0 comma plus or minus b into e. So then b into e equals to 5, but b value is 13. So then e value will become 5 divided by 13. Next we need small a value. So to find out the small a value, use the eccentricity formula. What is that formula? But e equals to under root 1 minus a square divided by b square, because a is less than b. So e value is 5 by 13. So under root 1 minus a square, required answer b square, 13 square. Now this square root transpose to left side, then it will become square. So 1 minus a square divided by 13 square is 169. Here 25 divided by 169. So 169 minus a square divided by 169. Here both are cancelled. Then 25 equals to 169 minus a square. Then a square equals to 169 minus 25. Then a equals to under root 144. It is equals to 12. So therefore let's substitute a and b values in the standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So x square by a value is 12, then a square value 144, y square by b value is 13, then b square value 169 equals to 1. So this is our required equation of a ellipse. Second question, foci plus or minus 4 comma 0, vertices plus or minus 6 comma 0. So here vertices are, one is 6 comma 0, another one is minus 6 comma 0. That means these two ordered pairs will be there on the x-axis, and it is a ellipse. So here is a minus 6 comma 0, and here is a 6 comma 0. In this case the standard form of a ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1, and where a is greater than b. Okay, A is greater than B. So then when A is greater than B, so then the vertices are plus or minus A comma 0, but in the question he gave vertices plus or minus 6 comma 0, so then A value is 6. Next, when A is greater than B, then the foci is plus or minus. Foci means focus. So plus or minus A into E comma 0 equals to, as per the question, the foci is plus or minus 4 comma 0. So then we can equate the A equals to 4, but A value is 6. So substitute it. So 6 into E equals to 4, then E equals to 4 by 6, so then 2 by 3. But we need B value. So to find out the B value, use eccentricity formula, that is E equals to, when A is greater than B, so then the E formula is 1 minus B square divided by A square. So E value 2 by 3. So under root 1 minus B square, B values are required, A square 6 square. Now the square root transpose to left side, then it will become square. So then 1 minus B square divided by 6 square is 36. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Here 36 is LCM. So 36 minus B square. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. So 4 equals to 36 minus B square by 4. Now 4 transpose to left side. So then 4 fours are 16. So B square equals to 36 minus 16. Then B square equals to 20. So keep it as it is, B square equals to 20. Now substitute A and B values in the standard form. So then x square divided by A value 6 square plus y square divided by B square value 20 equals to 1. So then x square divided by 6 square is 36 plus y square divided by 20 equals to 1. So it is our required equation of a ellipse. Next to third question, the foci is plus or minus 2 comma 0 and E equals to 1 by 2. So here E value given 1 by 2 and the foci plus or minus 2 comma 0 compare with plus or minus AE comma 0. It is equals to plus or minus 2 comma 0. So then AE will become 2. So here E value 1 by 2. So A into 1 by 2 equals to 2. A equals to 4. But eccentricity formula is, see here, foci is plus or minus AE comma 0. So that means eccentricity formula will become 1 minus B square divided by A square. But E value is 1 by 2. Under root 1 minus B square divided by A value 4 square. Then 1 by 2 whole square equals to 4 square 16. 16 minus B square. So 1 by 4 equals to 16 minus B square divided by 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 equals to 16 minus B square. So then B square equals to 16 minus 4. It is implies B equals to under root 12. So now the equation of a ellipse is, so what is the standard form? X square by A square plus Y square by B square equals to 1. Let's substitute the A and B values in this. X square by 4 square plus Y square by root 12 whole square equals to 1. So then our required answer is x square by 16 y square by 12 equals to 1. Fourth question, the length of a major axis is 8 and foci is plus or minus 3 comma 0. So the given foci compare with plus or minus a into e comma 0. Then it is equals to plus or minus 3 comma 0. So then AE equals to 3. So by observing the 4C, we can understand that the length of major axis here. So x-axis, the y-axis, and the ellipse is a ellipse. For this ellipse, the focus will be plus or minus AE comma 0. The length of a major axis. So here, for example, here is a point A dash and is a point A. A to A dash is a length of a major axis. So length of it is equals to 8. But length of major axis formula is 2A. It is equals to 8. A equals to 4. But AE equals to 3 na? So let us find out the E value in this. But A into E equals to 3. So substitute the A value. 4 into E equals to 3. Then E equals to 3 by 4. So to find out the B value, use the eccentricity formula. The formula is 1 minus B square divided by A square. So E value how much? 3 by 4. So under root 1 minus B square, required answer, divided by A square, that is 4 square. Now the square root transpose to left side. So 3 by 4 whole square equals to 1 minus B square divided by 4 square is 16. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So 16 minus B square by 16. Here both are cancelled. Then it is implies B square equals to 16 minus 9. Then B square equals to 16 minus 9 how much? It is a 7. Keep it as it is. No need to find out the B value. So now the standard form of a ellipse is x square divided by A square plus y square divided by B square equals to 1. Let's substitute the A and B values in this. X square divided by A square is 4 square. Y square divided by B square value, we have a direct B square value, that is 7. So then the required answer is x square divided by 16, y square divided by 7 equals to 1. Fourth question, find the equation of a ellipse whose semi-major axis is 6 and whose eccentricity is root 3 by 2. So the length of a major axis formula is 2a, but in the question he gave length of a semi-major axis. So length of semi-major axis, it is equals to, what is the formula? Semi means half of the major axis. So then A is a formula. So what is the A value here? A value is 6. Next to eccentricity, E equals to root 3 by 2. Next we need to find out the B value. To find it, what I am doing, using the E formula, that is 1 minus B square divided by A square. So then E value how much? Root 3 by 2. It is equals to under root 1 minus B square is required, A square, that is 6 square. Now square root transpose to left side. So root 3 by 2 whole square equals to 1 minus B square divided by 36. So root 3 whole square is 3 by 4 equals to 36 minus B square divided by 36. Here 4 ones are 4 nines are. Next 9 transpose to left side. 9 threes are 27 equals to 36 minus B square. Then B square equals to 36 minus 27. Then B square equals to 9. So keep as it is, B square equals to 9. So then the standard form of a ellipse is x square divided by A square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1. Let's substitute the values in this. So x square divided by a square, a value is 6, y square divided by b square, we have direct value for b square, that is 9. So then our required answer is x square divided by 36 plus y square divided by 9 equals to 1. So here we can find out the LCM. 36 is the LCM, then x square, 9 in 36 table 4s are, so 4y square, then 36 transpose to RHS side. So then our required answer is x square plus 4y square equals to 1 into 36 is 36.